Welcome back. Today we are looking at implicit differentiation. We are given this question, given that we have 2y squared minus 5x to the power 4 minus 2 minus 7y cubed, which is equals to 0. So let's get started for solution. So what you have to do, you have to introduce d over dx throughout to this equation which we have here. Okay, so we are going to say d over dx, then you take this number and the variable here, which is 2y squared, then minus d over dx, then 5x power 4, then minus 2 minus d over dx, then 2, then let's take it here. We have minus, we are here now, we have minus d over dx, then 7y cubed, which is equals to d over dx, then 0. This is where am I here. Okay, then now since we have distributed d over dx throughout the equation, so what you have to do, let's differentiate now. 2 times the 2, which is 4, so we're going to have 4y dy over dx. Okay, for dx, then minus here we are going to have 20, because of we're having dx, so this whole part here will disappear. We are going to only have 20x cubed. Okay, then we are here, when you differentiate 2, it is a constant, so we are going to have 0 here, so we are going to have minus 0. Then here, so in which here we have minus 3 times 7, which is 21 y squared dy dx. Okay, whenever you are finding there is a y in an equation, that means this part here will disappear, but when there's x, you eliminate this part here. Okay, like the way I did here, 4 times 5, which is 20. As you can see, there's no dy over dx. Okay, which is equals to when you differentiate d over dx, if we differentiate 0, you are going to have 0, because 0 it is a constant, so we are going to have 0 here. Then let's group let's arrange the right term now. Here we have y and here y, so we're going to say 4y dy over dx minus this, which is 21 y squared dy over dx, which is equals to when you add 20x cubed both sides, you're going to have 20 here x cubed. Okay, then here if you can see what is common, it is the dy over dx. So dy over dx, it will be outside the bracket, dy over dx, it will be outside the bracket, and open bracket 4y minus 21y squared, then close bracket, which is equals to 20, which is equals to 20x cubed. Then here you divide now, 4y minus 21y squared, even here 4y minus 21y squared. Okay, this is how we find the dy over dx, which should be equals to 20x cubed over 4y minus 21y squared. Okay, this is where we end. This is how you differentiate the equation with the different variables. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the new update. See you next time. Bye bye.